All right, let's talk about Adderall. We now know the FDA confirming there is a nationwide shortage. And so they're encouraging patients who take the ADHD medicine to start talking about alternative treatments.
Yeah, this has been a challenge for us in infectious disease for many, many years. Always facing drug shortages. We have this idea, this is what is optimum for my patient, and then we can't get the medicine and trying to figure out what are the alternatives out there. So now with the Adderall story, we're starting to realize like this is a huge problem. If a clinician is trying to treat a patient and that drug's not available, that's a national security issue. That's a real priority. So this is really making the news now, and I think we all need to stand up and ask what is going on with the supply chain. How do we address these problems?
Yeah, Dalton actually joining the conversation on that, saying for people with ADHD, not having their medication can mean they can't function at school, at work, at home, and it's devastating. And then we have another viewer who also wrote in, also about Adderall, saying it seems over half of the world's population are surviving on medications every day, and that should worry us.
Yeah, it's interesting. I'll sort of my take on that, right? Like, glaucoma, heart disease, cancer, infections, all these different things. We have moved to a time where we really can treat problems. We really can make a difference for people, and about half of our population is benefiting from those scientific advances. I wouldn't say that worries me. What worries me is when we don't have these options and people have to choose to suffer. They can't have the benefits.
Mel said the fact that there are people that profit off their Adderall prescriptions by selling it to others, I know that's not the root of this issue, but it is a problem nonetheless.
Yeah, that's always concerning. I mean, we live in a society. We all have to solve these problems together.